Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheila here and I'm here with a new video, and this is going to be a hair video. I'm going to show you how I went from this to that. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy and simple way you can make your hair and look good all the time. So I don't have much time, so I want to do this in 30 minutes. I won't be talking too much in this video. I might be doing a voiceover, and let's get right into the video. So for this video, I'm going to be using a ponytail I got from Royal Ponytails. Let me get it. So this is the ponytail. I'm going to bring it out from the pack. I've never used it. I've never opened it before. This is not a sponsored video, and I just saw it online on Instagram and I went for it, and this is my first time trying it and I hope I like it. So this is it out of the pack. Oh, I love the weight. Like, it's quite full. Look at, it's quite full. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Then it has this parts that you used to wrap around. Oh, what's falling? Then it has the clips. I don't know if you can see it, that you used to fix it in. So I'm going to keep this by the side. Then it came with this what do they call it? Bangs, side bangs. I hope that's what it is called. So these are the side bangs, and there are two of them. Can you see it? And it's more, the side bangs are more like a clipping. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be combing my hair and gelling it. So I'm going to gel it in sections because my hair is very full. So I'll gel it in sections, then cut out some for the front, and let's get right into the video. I have a mirror right in front of me, so I'll be looking this way while you're seeing me from here. At this point, I was done dividing my hair in 3 sections. As you can see, it wasn't perfectly divided. The main thing is just to section it out. Then I went ahead to start gelling the first part out of the 3 sections. I did the same for the second and then the third, and then put all of them together into a high ponytail. I'm using the Eco Styling Gel for this video. Another one you might want to try is Got to Be Styling Gel, but for some reason I just prefer the Eco Styling Gel. Guys, I've laid down the hair, so I'm going to tie it down with my scarf. After tying down my hair, I went ahead to use the blow dryer to dry out the hair because I was going out. But otherwise, if you're not going out, all you need to do is just tie down the hair, then it dries on its own. So it has this clip, the one in the middle and the one by the side. So I'll use that to do it. Do the same thing. Then I'll go ahead to wrap this around. So easy. So I went ahead to put the side bangs. It wasn't my camera wasn't recording when I was doing this part, so I had to redo it. So basically it's like a clipping. Just clip it into your hair and voila, you just cover it with your own hair, and that's it. Came out so nice and it was so lovely for my photo shoot. And this is such an easy hairstyle. Like you can rock it to anywhere, your church, school, work, party, whatever thing you want to do, and it's so beautiful. I hope you try this out. If you will do, I would like you to comment in the comment section whether you would like to try that out and whether you found it so easy to follow. I hope you try this out and I hope this video would inspire you. Because I was dancing, I was so happy. So I hope this video inspire you to try this hairstyle out and see how it will look on you. I hope you see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like my video, and share to whoever you think that might need it. Thank you. Bye bye.